Hello guys, welcome to the web designing course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 9. First of all, I will request for everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can make their website and get this knowledge. Now let's start. The topic which we are going to cover today in this video is that how we can make the table tag in the table tag. Let me give you one example. In the last lecture we have made this structure of the website with the help of table tag in the HTML. Let me explain you. This was our logo and advertisement area, and this was our menu area, and this was our new sticker, slider area, content area with the two sidebars, and this was our footer area. So today we are going to make the link in this sidebar area, that how we can make the link in the table tag with the help of table tag. And here I will tell you that how you can put the picture in this sidebar area. Now let's start. This was our last work. I have told you that how you can open this thing in the notepad this way. So this was our last work. Now what we want to do is we want to make the sidebar area in this. We want to make the clickable links in this sidebar area. How we will do this? First of all, we will find the table in which we have write this thing. This is written here, sidebar. So just to make sure that whether I am going to work in the right place or no, I will put a 1 here. So this is showing sidebar 1. I will save this thing and refresh my browser just to make sure that whether I am going to work in the right place. Yes, I find the right place, because here I can see sidebar 1 is written here. Now what I will do is simply I will make table tag here. I will write the table tag here. In the table tag you can see, let me show you again this thing. This was our main table, you can see, and I have write the table tag inside the table tag in the TD. In this TD you can see this is the column of the table tag. So I am doing work in this TD. I have write table tag here. In this I will write the TR and TD. If anyone is new here and he or she cannot understand what I'm going to write here, you can review my last lectures. Here I have told you that in detail how you can make the table structure. I will write here TD, TD close, back. Now here I will write something. Right, I will save my work and show you the results. Here you can see that www.google.com is showing. I do not need sidebar 1 here, so I will remove this thing from here. Right, now I will save my work, refresh the browser and show you the results. It's showing here. Now what I will do is I will put a border here for 1 pixel. I have told you in my table tag lecture that how you can do this. You can do my last lectures. If you do not understand in anything here on in last lecture, you can tell me. I will tell you that how you can do this. You can comment me. I have put the border color blue, and I will save this thing. Refresh my browser. Here you can see the border is showing and the table is showing 1 pixel border. Now what I will do is I can also put the width here. So here is one important thing that I want to tell you, that total width is 200 and I have put 1 pixel for the border, so the remaining is 199 for width. Let me explain you here also. The width is 200, right, in this area, and we have put a 1 pixel border, right? So the remaining is 199, which I have right here, 199 pixel. You can also put the height here like height I want 40 pixel here. I will save this thing, refresh my browser. Here you can see the table is showing and the border is also showing and it is fit in the table. So what I want this is in the center. So I can do this because this is written in the TD. So I will put the attribute here, align center. I will save this thing, refresh my browser and show you the results. Here you can see it's showing in the center of the table. Now what I want, I will copy this thing. If I want to show 3 forward links, right? So this is google.com. I will put here anything like yahoo.com, hotmail.com you can write here, and here you can write anything like link.com. I will save this thing and show you the results. Here it is showing. Now what I want is, I want these links should be shown on the top of this table, right? How we can do this, because this is the table, right, which is written in this table. So we are working in this TD, so we will put the tag here, we align in this TD, we align top. We'll save this thing. You can see the links are showing on the top of that TD because we want to show these links in the top of this column. So I have put the attribute in this column in this TD. Now this attribute VAlign has 3 attributes like top, bottom. I will put the bottom here, and if I will write here center, just bar showing, you can see we need the top. So there is 3 values for this VAlign attributes. I will write here top, show you the results. You can see link is on the top of this TD. So how you can make this link, I have told you thoroughly in the last lectures. You can review my last lectures, and if you like the video, please like my video, and if you do not understand anything, you can just comment me. I will answer your questions. Now how we can show the picture in this area, let me explain you this thing also. Whether we are going to write the work in the right place or no, I will put the pic here. I will save this thing and refresh my browser just to make sure that whether we are going to do the work in the right place. Yes, we are on the right place. This big word is written here. So I will make a table in this TD also. I will add the table tag here, the closing table tag here, right? TR and TD, because this is the structure of the table as I have told you earlier. The last lectures, TR close, basically TR are the table row. Here I will write the TD, table data or column. Here I will write, I will remove this thing from here and show you the result. Whether we are going to write thing. Yes, because showing here. Now what I will do is, in this table, same way I will put the product 1 pixel, and I will also write here watercolor, just to show you that whether we are working correct or no. I will save this thing, refresh my browser. Here you can see the table with the color watercolor is showing. Now what I will do is, I will put the width here. So the most important thing, the TD width is 190 and we have put 1 pixel for the border, so I will write here 189. We can also put the height here. Now before writing the height, what we can do is, if we want to show the 3 pictures here, then we will divide the height in 3 parts. If we want to show the 4 pictures, then we will divide the height in 4 parts. How we will do this? First of all, I will write here height like I will write here the total height of our this table in which we are working is 400, right? Because this was our first TD. In this TD we have made this table, right? And this was our second TD, and this was our third TD in which we are going to make our pictures tag. So the total height is 400. So I will write here first of all 400 just to show you. Save my work. Here you can see the table is showing with the 400 height. Now what I want, picture should be in the center. So here I have told you before that you can put the align attribute, the center tag. Now I will refresh my browser. You can see. So this is one picture is showing here with a 400 height, and the width will be 189. Now for dividing in the 3 parts, you can do what? There are 2 ways to do this. The first way is you can copy this raw and paste this thing and save the work. You will see the 3 parts are showing here, right? And the second method, how you can show this, you can make 3 tables and put the height divided by 3. Let me give you this example also. First of all, let me explain you what I have right here. This was our TD. This is TD. This one, right? I have write the table here, right, with the height 400, and I have divided this in 3 rows, equal rows. The second way how I can do this, (400) divided by 3, 133. So what I will do is, I will make 3 tables of 133 heights. How I will do this? Let me explain you. As this was our main table height 400, now I will put here 133. I will copy this table for the 3 times. 2 and 3. I will save this thing. You can see the 3 pictures are showing here. First of all, let me remove this just to show you whether we are working correct or no. You can see this is the one picture, and if I will copy this thing 2 times more, so there are total 3 pictures. You can see in this way you can show the pictures here, and how you can write the image tag here. I have told you in the last lecture. You can review my last lectures that how we can put the image tag here. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and share my video with everyone so that everyone can make this websites and earn money online with this knowledge. So once again, please like my video and share my videos with everyone. And if you do not understand in this lecture anything, you can comment me. I will answer your questions. Thank you very much.